Hi everyone. Today we are entering into new concept. Do you know that? Forms. Up to here, all the things completed. So doubt session time. I have given permission to your friends to share their desktop, but one or two members only properly they utilized. Remaining members they're unable to use properly that feature. Try to know it, how to use in the Zoom meeting, the things whenever you are going to share. But some people they didn't use properly. So shall we go to forms, everyone? Are you ready? So is it possible to attend 5:45 like that, everyone? 5:45. Come and join. I'm there. Some people said on time you can start, sir. On time we are coming. Where those people are? So tomorrow onwards, are you coming? 5:45. Is it okay, everyone? Okay, 5:50, 5:50. Okay, everybody okay, 5:50. Very good. No problem. Join everybody by 5:50. Session will start 5:50 to 7. Okay? Because 7 o'clock I'm having session sharp. Okay, guys, very good. We'll enter into forms now. What is the meaning of form? Anybody you heard the name form? Any of you guys heard the name of the form? Right. Form is a container, my dear. Form is a container which can hold some more other controls. Form is a container which can hold some more other controls. It is an HTML form on a web page that lets visitors enter this information, enter their information. It has the following alias names. What are the alias names available? Web forms, HTML forms, input forms, select forms, etc. Web forms, HTML forms, input forms, select forms, etc. That's it. Uses of web forms. Forms can resemble paper or database forms because web users fill out the forms using checkboxes, radio buttons, text fields. Forms can resemble like paper or database forms because the users will fill out. For example, one login screen you can take, registration page, feedback, e-commerce or product details. If you're taking, there are the various controls available. You're entering the data, you're selecting the required information like that. What is a form element? It defines form that is used to collect user input. User input. It represents a document section. It represents a document section that contains interactive controls. That contains interactive controls to submit information to a web server. Form is a paid tag. Remember everybody. Form is a paid tag. Form open, form close. Then you can give attributes and parameters. What are the attributes available here? What are the attributes available here? Name, any name. Method, to specify the type of the method. So get meaning is different. Post meaning is different. Action, we can specify the page name to which page you want to submit control values. Target, specify the target window. So different targets available, blank, self, parent, like that. Encrypt type, so whatever the data it is going to transfer from client to server, the data is converting into encrypted format, machine understandable format. You can use the encrypt attribute to specify how the browser encodes the data before it sends to the server. Anyway, attributes, parameters, and method, action, target, encrypt type. Okay. Now I'm giving possible values. So what are the possible values we are using in the encrypt type level? So these values practical, I'll show you. So form attributes, many are there, which are the most important. Okay. Method, action, target, encrypt type. Is my voice is clear for you, everyone? And Aditya and Prachi, that is your problem, I think. Everybody, my voice is very clear, all your friends. So both you members, you can check it your end. Very clear. Absolutely clear. Simple. Okay, very good. Now I'm giving possible. HTML form tags available. So what are the tags existed? Form defines an HTML form for user input. Input defines an input control. Text area defines a multi-line input control. Button defines a clickable button. Select defines a drop-down list. OPT group defines a group of related options in a drop-down list. Option defines an option in a drop-down list. Label defines a label for an input element. Field set groups related elements in a form. Legend defines a caption for a field set element. Check it once again, all of you. HTML form tags. Form existed, defines an HTML form or user input. Input defines an input control. Text area defines a multi-line input control. Button defines a clickable button. Select defines a drop-down list. OPT group, option, label, field set, legend. Just first tag outlines you can try to understand, my dears. After that, we'll go to inside. Hope you are clear. HTML form tags, names, everyone. My side voice problem or desktop sharing problem, subject related problem, 100% not existed. Some people are joining lately in the meeting. They're giving 1 minute, sir. Once again, explain, sir. It's okay. Your voice is not clear. On time. Today I'm saying, my dear, today on time at 6 o'clock, just 90 members are there online. So that kind of things, please, you can try to check it. Okay. Right. Check it. All these tags clear, everybody? Right, guys. And this is there, everyone. Right. Come on. Field name, keyword syntax. Field name, keyword syntax. Check it, everybody. Field name, keyword syntax. Text box, password box, check box, radio button, submit button, reset button, text area. So field name, text box, text, password box, password, checkbox, checkbox, radio button, radio, submit button, submit, reset button, reset, text area, text area. So we are having different fields, keywords, and syntaxes. Clear, everybody? What are the keywords existed for which are the field names? Cancel only available, no, my dear. Reset. Reset is acting as cancel. Okay. Right. Next one. What is there? Attributes parameters. Name, any name. Value, any value. Size in pixels. Max length number. Rows number. Columns number. Read only true false. Disabled, disabled. Checked, checked. Multiple true false. Check it once again, everybody. Input fields, attributes, and parameters. Right, everyone. Input fields, attributes. Shall I start my examples one by one? Big list of fields available. Right, we'll enter. What about previous all the tags and examples? Did you practice? Are you watching videos? Whatever the videos I'm providing. Right. First, I'm starting basic level. Okay. Go there. Form. Form is a paid tag or non-paid tag? Form is a paid tag or non-paid tag? Paid means opening existed, closing existed. Very good. I'm giving label. I said username. Input type is equal to text box. And I'm giving, for example, here, password. Password. Then I'm giving input type is equal to submit. Input type is equal to reset. Are you okay what I wrote? Everybody? Right, and come down and check it once. Is it okay? What about the form displayed here? Password level automatically the thing is coming. Key like that. Check it. A simple one available. Observe now. How much small, how much bigger, that is up to you, my dears. Don't worry. For your visualization purpose, I am showing to you. Right? Right, I'm going to save this example first. First, basic login screen. HTML forms. Forms level. Example. Basic login form. Example. Right, we are coming to the next level. Now I'm coming here. Shall I go to some more attributes here? Up to here, basic level clear for you? Can we give spacing between password box? No, the password level spaces won't accept. I'll show you validations in the JavaScript level. Now I'm taking here. What is the first attribute available here? What is the first attribute? Name. Name attribute never visible. It is only logical purpose. If I am writing name is equal to username, if I am writing. So name is equal to, if I am writing PWD. Name is equal to, if I am writing, for example, name is equal to, if I am writing. What I said, sub. If I am going to write name is equal to, cancel. Name is equal to cancel not clear. Observe and refresh. Is there any difference you are finding here? Are you finding any difference here in the page? No. because the name never visible. Then what purpose we are using name? Name we are using only JavaScript purpose. In future, we are writing validations. When you are going to validate particular control, name is compulsory or ID compulsory. You can tell me that. For example, you are in a college. You're going to write exam. Your number is there in the examination. You have a name, you have a number. Hall ticket number is there. Is there any chance to hall ticket number duplication? Is there any chance your hall ticket number is getting duplication? Impossible. Impossible. Is there any chance your name duplication? Is there any chance? Okay, possible. Raju means I'm not only know number of people are there worldwide. There is a chance. So that is a reason compared to name, ID more powerful. ID like hall ticket number. So I'll show you ID also how to use. I'll show you. But right now name I shown to you. Name logical purpose not visible. So name after what attribute is there, everybody? Name after what attribute is there? Value attribute is there. Come on. We'll go to value attribute. Value always visible. Value is equal. I'm writing. Enter valid username. Enter valid username. Value is equal to. I'm giving. Enter valid password. Now value is equal to login. Value is equal to login. Then for example, I'm giving value is equal to cancel. Check it once now. Refresh. But value in the password level, observe. Everybody, value in the password level you can observe. Okay, again I'm running in the same thing in another browser. Because already in the history level available, KS Raju is coming. Coming or not, KS Raju? Understanding that is in the history level available. So by default, it is coming actually. Right. So history will remove, it will be set right. But I don't want enter valid username means enter valid. Okay. So whenever we are getting like this history, browser history, we are going to remove, it is not a big matter. I'll remove and I'll show you. But right now you are clear about this. Right. Here only you are getting some watermarks type symbols. So watermarks purpose, what we are using nowadays. Value we are not using nowadays. What we are using? Placeholder. Placeholder. Are you observing placeholder here, everyone? Somebody disturbing the session? Placeholder, observe only. Watermarks. I'm removing this person, okay? Right. Placeholder is coming, correctly observe. Because automatically it is in the history it is. Observe now placeholder. You didn't observe now placeholder? Observe now. Enter valid username, enter valid password. Placeholder means watermark. One character enter here, automatically deleted. Remove. Observing. Watermarks. You are entering means automatically deleted. If you are removing, automatically these are coming. You people need to understand the words. Right. So this is the simple one. Entry time removing, my dear, watermarks. No character available, automatically watermark will come. That's it. Right. What is completed? 2 attributes completed. What is the third attribute? Size attribute. Size attribute. Size attribute. 10 pixels I said. Observe now. Are you observing username? BR tag I'll provide here. Size observe. Text box size username. For example, you are giving 40 pixels. Observe size. For example, 4 pixels. Observe size. Observing. 54 pixels. Observe size. Right. Size just I am giving 5 pixels, my dears. Next one. What is here? Max length. Max length is equal to how many characters are given? 5 characters, for example. Max length 5 characters. Come on, refresh. So I'm giving, for example, here some characters. KS Raju, KS U is not coming. Why U is not coming? So maximum how many characters you said? Very good. Remaining members. Some people keep on typing messages. What happened? Very good. Now I'm coming. Rows and columns. Rows and columns not possible here. Now I'm giving read only. By default, read only false. By default, read only false. False means what? You can write, you can delete, you can modify, you can update. If I say read only true, what happened? Right, go there. I am saying read only true now. So whenever I say read only true, what happened? Save it. Go there. I want to modify this case Raju. I want to modify this. I want to remove this. Possible? It's not getting removed. Why it is not possible? Default 20 pixel. Because read only true. True level you can read only, that's it. You cannot write. You can read only, you cannot write. Right. Next one. What is there? Disabled is equal to disabled. I want to disable cancel. Disabled is equal to, I'm giving disabled. Save it. Can I click on cancel button now? Is it possible to click on cancel button? No. Why I'm unable to click on cancel button? Because it is in disable mode. Suraj. Because it is in disable mode. Right. Come back attributes. Checked and multiple not possible here. Rows, columns not possible here. Okay. So how many attributes still pending? Name completed, value completed, size completed, max length completed, read only completed, disabled completed, rows not completed, columns not completed, checked not completed, multiple not completed. Okay. So these 4 attributes we need to see. Okay. Right. Listen peacefully. First, I am discussing HTML and HTML5. After that, I'll come to CSS. After that, I'll come to JavaScript. After that, I'll come to Bootstrap. Let me teach one by one by one. Don't be hurry. It takes at least 50 days to 60 days. Listen peacefully, please. Every time, same question, don't repeat. When will be completed? Will you teach CSS or not? Will you teach JavaScript or not? Please, okay, first practice. Listen peacefully, practice. Right, come on. Rows and columns attribute possible with the text area. Actually, these examples, examples I need to put no example 2. With some basic attributes I'm giving. Example 3. Right, example level will go there. So I'm giving text area. Multi-line text box is text area. So I'm removing remaining things. I'm writing now text area. That's it. I'm writing here data science, sorry. HTML is a markup language for static web pages. For static web pages. Observe only multi-line text box. By default, only 2 rows visible. including spaces, how many columns visible. This is also very important. So you can try to count also that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. By default, 20 columns visible. How many rows visible by default? How many columns visible? Come on. Text area. How many rows? How many columns visible? 2 rows, 20 columns. That is a default nature. That is a default nature. That is a default nature. 2 rows, 20 columns. Excellent. Now I'm giving, for example, multiple rows I'm providing. I said text area level, rows is equal to 5, calls is equal to 25. Okay, come on, observe. Now, how many rows available? How many columns available? Including spaces, if you want, you can count, no problem. Right, 5 rows, 25 columns. Next one. By default level, you know, and in this level also you are having it. Rows, columns clear. Shall I go to now checked and multiple? How many attributes pending still? Only 2 attributes. Remaining all attributes we observed. Some people are saying go a little bit fast, sir. I said I never move fast. Possible I'll go more slowly. If not interested, don't come. Some people are continuously typing fast, fast, fast. Remind members, shall I go fast? Tell to your friend. Type some statements to your friend. Fast, fast, fast. I said already I'm teaching many years onwards. Right, next one. I'm going to select a tag. Select a tag. What is the meaning of the select tag? It is used to create a drop-down list. The option tags inside the select element. Whatever the options existed in the list, you are going to select. It is a paid tag. Select open, select close. Attributes. Attribute, value, description. Disabled specifies that a drop down list should be disabled. Disabled specifies that a drop down list should be disabled. Multiple specifies that multiple options can be selected once. Name defines a name for the drop down list. Size number defines the number of visible options in a drop down list. Check it once. Select a tag clear or not. Right. Select slowly every point. Correctly understand, my dears. I'll show you. First theory understand. Practical I'll show you. Theory first. How many attributes available here? Yeah, 4 attributes available. Disabled, multiple, name, size. Right, everyone? Excellent. Then OPT group. OPT group is what? It is used to group related options in a drop-down list. And if you have a long list of options, groups of related options are easier to handle for a user. It is a paid tag. Paid tag means OPT group open, OPT group. OPT group close. It is used to group related options in a drop-down list. If you have a long list of options, group related options are easier to handle for a user. It is a paid tag. OPT group open, OPT group close. Hope everybody clear. Right. OPT group attributes observe. How many attributes for OPT group? 2 attributes available. Disabled label. Disabled specifies that an option group should be disabled. Label text specifies a label for an option group. Label text specifies a label for an option group. Check it, everybody. OPT group. So OPT group inside we are having option. So first select, next OPT group, next option. Option also very important. It defines an option in a select list. It is a paid tag. It is a paid tag. Option open, option close. Having parameters and attributes, you can check it. Disabled available, label existed, selected existed, value existed. I think some attributes keep on repeated. Some attributes keep on repeated. Yes. Shall we try practically this? Come on, everyone. First, select tag. Select tag inside what available? OPT group inside what available? Label. I said big data technologies. OPT group inside what available? OPT group inside what existed? Option existed. Option level I'm writing. First, big data. Next one, machine learning. Then I'm giving here deep learning. I'm giving natural language processing. For all these things later, Python. Okay, we'll come back and we'll try to execute this. Check it now. Observe. Yes. Is it okay for you to drop down? By default, first element selected. I want a second OPT group. Label is equal to, I'm giving web technologies. Web technologies level, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular. Yes, check it once. All options are existed. Okay, everyone. Total how many groups available? See, as per your real-time industry. Now, for example, jQuery is not there. Right now, jQuery is not that much file. Example 8 I'm giving. Example 8 I'm giving. 8 level what I'm showing, you know. I said jQuery is not there right now. Observe now jQuery, can you able to select or not? You can try it now. Can you select jQuery now? So particular element we can duplicate. Particular element we can disable. No, sir, I want to disable completely. I want to disable, for example, web technologies. So if I want to disable here in this level, then what I need to do? Come on. What I need to do here? How many disable you can check it now? Any web technology can you able to select now? There is no chance. There is no chance. Understanding everybody the beauty? Very important examples. You are saying speed, speed. If I explained all these examples, speed, my dear, total you are out. Now, last example I'm giving. Label, disabled, completed, multiple. This is actually what you know, what we are calling this one. Drop down or drop down we are calling. At a time we can select single item only. We can select one or more items in list box using multiple is equal to multiple attribute. Getting words, everyone? Are you getting words? So right now I'm showing only for you, which one? Drop down. Right now I'm showing only drop down. So you want a list box means what attribute we need to use? List box means what attribute you need to use? Yes, multiple is equal to multiple. Correct. So first I'm giving all these examples and these notes up to here. I'm not giving now list box. List box I'll give you in the next session. Today I'm giving total 20 examples. Everybody, you are there in the Google Classroom? HTML forms and examples. Come Balaji 550. 550 you can come. I'll be there 540 onwards. Doubt people come 540 also. Okay, Balaji. I'll be there 540 onwards. If you are Having doubts, come at 5:40. I'm ready. Thank you. Bye. Catch you tomorrow, everyone. Google Classroom required means you can ask. Okay. 5:40, I'll be there. 5:50 session will be started. 5:40, I'll be there. 5:50 session started. Thank you. Doubts only on Saturday.